Amphibi Crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Amphibi Crochet and we're diving into fall and Thanksgiving with these wonderful, totally free crochet patterns. Let's go! Give thanks, a lovely little banner for your Thanksgiving decor. As is this little hanger. I love fall. It's a bit more general than just Thanksgiving, but it's cute. Pumpkin garland, always a nice touch and a great idea. You can hang them up in Halloween times already. Fall, I love these applique letters on a crochet background. It gives a nice, cool, crisp look. And of course, little scarecrows cannot be omitted from this list. This one is adorable and this one is absolutely cute. I love the little collar there from the burlap sack of his hat. It's very nice. I think this is an Afghan in gorgeous fall colors. I love the loose way the granny squares are crocheted together. Little pilgrim finger dolls, I think, yeah, finger dolls. They are quite adorable, very sweet. And a little pilgrim hat with the buckle on there. Pilgrim fridgies, but you can sew these appliques on anything you want. I am especially a fan of their big googly eyes. Lovely pilgrim couple, more amigurumi style, these ones. Check out these cute Thanksgiving pot holders, a pilgrim and his turkey friend. And here's the amigurumi couple again. And a pumpkin hat. I think we have, yeah, this is for baby, but there's also for adults. I love this stitch. It's very, very nice, very gorgeous. This is a short overview of some fall and Thanksgiving crochet patterns. Check back later for more of this goodness. I wish you happy crocheting.